মুম্বাইগামী জয়পুর এক্সপ্রেসে গুলি, নিহত 4। চলন্ত ট্রেনে গুলির জেরে আতঙ্ক, বাতানুকূল B5 কামরায় গুলি চলার খবর। মহারাষ্ট্রের পালঘরের কাছে চলন্ত ট্রেনে গুলি, একজন এএসআই তিলকরাম ও 3 যাত্রী গুলিবিদ্ধ হয়ে মৃত্যু হয়েছে। ট্রেনে থাকা আরপিএফ কনস্টেবল চেতনের বিরুদ্ধে গুলি চালানোর অভিযোগ। এএসআই বনাম কনস্টেবলের ঝগড়ার জেরে এই গুলি চলেছে বলে জানা গিয়েছে। ভোর 5টার দিকে এই ঘটনা ঘটে। গুলি চালানোয় অভিযুক্ত কনস্টেবলকে মীরা রোডের কাছে ধরা হয়েছে। ওই কনস্টেবল মানসিক চাপে ভুগছিলেন বলে জানা গিয়েছে।
An unfortunate incident has been reported in today's morning in 12956 Jaipur Superfast, Mumbai Jaipur Superfast train. In this, one constable who was on duty, Mr. Chetan Kumar, he has opened fire on one of his colleague ASI Tikaram Meena, and during this incident, 3 civilians, 3 passengers, they also got shot. The accused constable, he then did the alarm chain pulling and got deboarded between DIGI-CABLE and Mira Road, which is just before Borivali station. However, he has been nabbed by the Bhander team, by RPF Bhander team, and currently he is under the arrest of GRP Borivali. So investigations are on. Usse पूछताछ की जा रही है. Apart from this, the identification of the 3 civilians are also in progress with their seat number and everything. Their identification is being established. The accused constable, he was on regular duty, like his roster duty, and he was escorting this train from Surat to Mumbai.
So what is the reason behind the firing? Any reason has been come from the accused, or why he has fired?
No exact reason is yet to be established, as the accused constable is arrested and he is being interrogated by GRP Borivali, and after his interrogation the exact reason can be known.
So when he has fired, how many passengers are there in the bogie? Any data from the passenger and the railway?
No, the train was running full, and the coaches, the incidents which has happened in the pantry car area, B5 and S6. 3 coaches have been involved in this, where this firing is taken.
What is the name of the accused and from where he belongs? From which?
The name of the accused is Chetan Kumar. His exact service particulars are not still available with me. And the deceased ASI is from Rajasthan. His name is Tikaram Meena.
Now, what is the next? How the investigation will be provided by the?
No, now GRP Borivali GRP team has taken over the investigation, and they will do the detailed investigation, and subsequent FIR will be lodged.